Dr. Yulin, a therapist, started working in a psychiatric hospital which was filled with clinically ill patients. They harmed themselves, they harmed other people, they were rapists, they were criminals, and they were very violent. They were given all sorts of medications, therapy, and even injections and electric shocks, but nothing was working on them. When Dr. Yulin came, he did not use these modalities but treated them, each one of them, with a Hawaiian prayer called Ho'oponopono. The patients were all released, and the hospital was closed in a few years because everyone got treated. Welcome to Wiser with Akshata. I am your kind host Akshata, and today in this video we will be talking about the science of Ho'oponopono and the power of your magical words. So let's get right into it. So what is even Ho'oponopono? It is a prayer consists of four statements, four magical statements. And before I reveal it, I want to remind you that oftentimes the simplest things are the most profound. So, the four statements are: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Just that's it. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And you will be like, if you have a logical, very logical mind, what are you saying? Wait, I will explain everything. So, we do know that Nikola Tesla said that if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibrations. And words, my dear friends, is made up of different frequencies, vibration, and every word that comes out of your mouth, every word that you hear, it contains some kind of vibration and energy which is affecting your reality. And I will give you the science, don't worry. To explain this concept further, I would like to talk about the experiment conducted by Masaru Emoto in Japan, which is called the water experiment, where he took two test tubes. One of it was labeled hate and one of it was labeled love. The test tubes were seen under microscopes, like the ones they have in science lab, the advanced one. Yeah, that. He saw that the different test tubes were showing different patterns. The love test tube showed the pattern of beautiful diamonds. On the other hand, the test tube with the word written hate on it was showing dirty patterns. He also conducted this experiment using different words like happy, fear, and like many words. So, why was it showing different patterns? Because word contains energy. Let me give you another example from Japan. Fuji Dam at one point got very polluted, so a group of healers sat there and chanted Ho'opono for hours, and the dirty water became drinkable. Why did it happen? Because words contain energy, and water contains energy. Everything under the sun contains energy. Even when you study quantum physics, you study that the molecules are made up of little particles and waves. These waves are nothing but vibration, and everything in the universe is, you know, and everything in the universe is made up of, say, vibration, energy. I feel like Dora the Explorer. Vibration, frequency, and energy. I'm repeating this because it got time for me to understand this concept, because my critical mind was not allowing me to even digest it. But now I do. I understand it and I use this science in my everyday life, and I'm also going to teach you how to do it. So be patient. Now, we were talking about water, right? So 60% of your body is made up of what? Our favorite, water. So think about this. Whatever you are saying, it contains some vibration. Whatever you are listening to, it contains some vibration. The songs that you are listening to. Do you listen to songs that uplift you, or do you listen to sad songs all day? We all listen to sad songs once in a while, but if that is all you do, then I'm going to tell you the consequences. What kind of books do you read? What kind of people do you listen to on the news? What kind of web series and movies do you watch? And most importantly, what are you scrolling on? Are you doom scrolling? You don't know what you watch right now. What kind of people are you listening to on the internet? Is it Akshata? Then you're good. God. What kind of people are you listening to? Is it Akshata? Then you're fine. But if you are listening to people who are encouraging negativity, then you know what is happening to you, right? Do you know that 80 to 90% of diseases are psychosomatic, which means that your thoughts, your feelings, what you say, what you hear, it is creating the disease. And I have experienced this in my life in the periods where I was dealing with a lot of anxiety. I had major health issues, and it is affecting you on a cellular level. Have you read the book, The Game of Life and How to Play It by Florence Shinn? I have my notes here. Okay. If you haven't, add this to your list. So, in this book, she gives many examples. It is a book about manifestation, and she talks about a person who used to always say, I'm sick of this, I'm sick of that, you guys, I'm sick of. If you say that, why are you falling for me? Yaar? Sorry, I need to figure this out. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Okay, I will hold this. What was I saying? So she gave this example of a person who used to always say, I'm sick of this, I'm sick of that, blah, 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 blah. And that person got sick, physically ill, that person got. Do you don't you see the connection? There's a connection, don't you see that? Okay, if you're not convinced yet, let me give another example. Another person used to say, I am tired of this, I'm tired of that. So tiring. That person used to always get tired because that person used to say this all the time. If you always say, oh my god, like love is not for me, I'm always going to be alone, then guess what? You're manifesting. And we are not even talking about manifestation yet. We are going to cover that in some other video. But you see how all of this is related? Am I making sense to you? So let me teach you how you can use the power of your words and ho'oponopono in your daily life. So you can use for money, your healing your money frequency to attract money, to attract health, physical health, emotional health, mental health. You can attract love. You can even heal from a heartbreak. You can, if you have a debt, you can heal that. If you have problem with your boss or parents, you can heal it. You can achieve success through Ho'oponopono, and you can heal your relationships and whatnot. You can heal everything under the sun. You can do it with Ho'oponopono. So what you need to do is sit or stand or lie down, whatever you want. First of all, take a deep breath and say, take 100% responsibility of my life. If you want to achieve something in particular, then mention it. I take 100% responsibility of my health, if you want to heal that. And then you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You keep repeating that. And for example, if you want to heal something in particular, then you can say, I'm sorry, my health, please forgive me, my health, I'm sorry, my health, I love you, my health, and all that, right? And the magic number is 108. Chant this 108 times. Many spiritual teachers believe that 108 is a good number, but even if you do it 5 times, it is going to create a little effect in your life, but do it as many times as you can. Now, let me teach you how I do it smartly. So, I search on YouTube Ho'oponopono 108 times. I play it and then chant, so I don't have to count. Chant as I fall asleep. I do it when I'm in my bed and I just chant it every night. And this has helped me a lot. My skin is glowing, yeah, and my hair is good. Like, I have used Ho'oponopono for this, and I have used Ho'oponopono for many other reasons. And Usually I just do it, just the same simple hope, nope, no, not anything in particular. There are even ho'opono music on YouTube. Like, people are so creative, they have created this ho'oponopono songs, or some kind of, like, if you have something in particular to heal, just look for it, and you can meditate on it. You can sit and just do it as many times as you want, as you take a deep breath and also, like, let out the deep breath. Yeah, that is how you can use it too. And people are so creative, they do hoponopono while listening to music. Like, for example, they're listening to music, and instead of singing the lyrics, they're like, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, whatever the music is, and they just say that. And I have done it, and it feels so good. Your energy uplifts and you feel so much better when you do it. Just notice, you feel a little better every time you do it. And imagine what would happen if you start doing this every single day. It will just take like 10 to 12 minutes to chant this 108 times. And I even taught you some shortcut tricks regarding it. So with this, that is it for this video. I'm sorry for ghosting you guys, but I am back, and I don't know, I used to post every week, but I don't know what my schedule will be like, as I am engaged with other priorities as well. But I love YouTube and I want to continue it. Thank you so much for supporting me. And I will see you in the next video, ladies and gentlemen. Bye bye. Over and out.